The Chinchipe River Basin is located on the border between Peru and Ecuador, at the source of the Amazon River. Pastures that resemble natural water sponges can be found in this area. Scientists and researchers call such areas moors. This is where the cloud forests of the mountainous Amazon region begin. They make up the ecosystem in which the largest source of our planet's drinking water is generated, drop by drop. This impressively beautiful landscape is home to some 162,000 peasant farmers, the majority from the mountains of Peru and Ecuador. They live in poverty, eking out a living of just around £1 per day through the small-scale production of coffee and timber. However, these activities are not only barely sustainable, but have also led to the destruction of forests, mainly because of the brittleness of the soil and the steep slopes. What are we doing to confront this challenge? With the support of our donors, counterparts, and partners, we are making farms profitable and sustainable. The project is creating farms with 4 levels of vegetation, imitating the natural tropical forest and protecting the land from erosion. Making the timber industry sustainable without damaging protected areas. Overall, nearly 150,000 hectares of forests in Peru and Ecuador are being preserved in 2 important protected areas. Training promoters in forest management. Technical advice is being made available for at least 2,000 families each year. Improving education for the future. For 1,000 rural children and young people in Peru and Ecuador. Ensuring environmentally friendly municipalities. Each of the 12 local municipalities is equipped with a geographic information system and receives training in its use. Our achievements. The subnational governments have increased their investment in forest issues. An investment group has been formed between producers' organizations and the Peruvian government to work in forest development. 1,000 hectares reforested and 3,000 to be completed in 2009. The beneficiaries have contributed with 90% of the inversion in labor and local material. 6 groups of binational work, 6 technical teams of the local government, and 5 organizations of coffee producers are promoting the conservation of the woods and the forest system. The cloud forests are the lungs of the planet. We are all responsible for their conservation and preservation.